Day in the life of an unemployed 24-year-old who makes 100K a month. Let's go. I woke up late as fuck. It's 10:32 a.m. But your boy already made $1,432. So pretty good start to the day. Fridays, I really don't work. I do have one meeting with this financing company at 1:30 p.m. Central Time today to get onboarded. Basically, some high ticket sauce for you. High ticket, by the way, is selling an offer $1,000 or more over the phone or Zoom. And so basically, if someone can't afford your high ticket offer, so for hours, it's $4,000, then we can work with a financing company. And so with the financing company, we'll get paid the $4,000 up front through the financing company, and then the client or the prospect pays the financing company in monthly installments. So that way it's a win-win on both sides. Like, my company gets more cash flow coming in because we get the total amount of money up front. The financing company wins because that's what they do, and they take a percentage of the transaction from us. And then finally, the prospect or client wins because now instead of having to pay the full $4,000, then they could just pay it through smaller monthly installments. And that way they could actually afford it in full while still being committed and while still getting great results. So that's pretty much the only thing I have to do for the day. Other than that, it's pretty much the same typical morning routine. And then finally, my girlfriend's coming through right after that meeting. So we're definitely going to be watching the season finale of Love is Blind tonight for season 7. And oh yeah, I forgot. We also have this onboarding call, this new YouTube course we both bought. So she's a YouTuber herself. She has 29K subs on YouTube, almost at 30K. We're like, why not? Let's take a YouTube course together, grow together, learn from each other. For that YouTube course, we have an onboarding call. That's enough yapping for this intro. Let's go. Gotta make sure you have clean sheets when your girlfriend's coming through. Something that helps me get ahead is when I work out, I don't listen to music. I just go through more courses, podcasts, so that way I had a 2-in-1. So I get my workout in, but I'm still learning and getting ideas on how to grow my business to the next level. But think about it, if I'm working out every day, that's 7 extra hours I'm learning compared to just wasting time listening to music. Like, if you want to enjoy your workout, cool. It really just depends on what you're optimizing. For me, I used to be huge into fitness and huge into like getting 6% body fat and bulking and all that, but now it's like I'm just trying to lift to get my energy right so that I'm not sleepy throughout the day. But in reality, my main North Star, my Polaris Star as we call it, is growing my business. So for me, I justify spending some time working out by still learning while working out. It's Halloween weekend, baby. Take a look at all the decorations. Not going out today, but tomorrow I've got some planned. So if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, subscribe, because tomorrow's video, you'll probably see what I do for Halloween. Oh, so good. Every time I hit the shower, I always think of like the sad music, like black and white, and like sad, either piano or violin. You're just like, what is life? Oh God, the life's over. Whew. I'm always scared my camera's gonna fall off into the hot tub and break. Okay, that's enough of the hot tub. Fucking ambulance. There's this one app, I forgot what it's called, where it says all the crime in Chicago, and I had to delete it because there was like crime like every basically hour. I honestly just want to live in ignorance. I don't want to know all that stuff. Better. Okay, how's it going, guys? Just wrapped up that meeting, looking pretty well. So my girlfriend's gonna come in like an hour, so I gotta revise all my editors' first drafts, get those posted up, and then I can enjoy the rest of my day. So. Oh, so pretty. Corvette. We gotta turn Opal on so we're present with our girl. Or not our girl. Hit start. Boom. Now, if I go to messages, boom, blocked. So now we are locked in, present. What does it smell like in here?
It smells like onions. Like someone's BO.
Rip.
It smells like foot.
You like the decorations?
I want to grab one and wear one. So we're going on a walk right now. I don't know why cameraman's forcing me to exercise.
But yeah, I am known as cameraman in Allison's YouTube vlogs. Little mystery man.
You're not even a mystery anymore. I've shown you so many times. But you gotta keep the joke running,
Exactly.
you know?
It's a tradition now. But yeah, we're about to get a little walk going. That YouTube onboarding call is like an hour and a half, maybe an hour now. So we're trying to hit this. You don't want to walk? That's okay, we can go back.
My legs are cold.
Let's go back.
No, we have to do it. In life, you gotta do hard things. That's what makes life easy.
You heard it.
I shouldn't have worn a skirt today. I messed up.
So nice. Scale of 1 to 10, how cold are you right now? 65 degrees is indeed deceiving. Oh shit. I thought that guy was gonna run me over.
You know that birds are related to dinosaurs?
For anybody that took Sam Oven's course back in the day, you know that trees are symbolic for Facebook ads. If you know, you know. Let me know in the comments if you do know. Explain it. Oh shit, hairline showing. Can't do that. Reason why I got a perm, so your boy doesn't have to show off his forehead. Only thing in Chicago is windy as hell now, so not optimal for the hair. Yeah, to have a boat in 60-degree weather, I applaud them. Boyfriend responsibilities, you already know. All right, we got the onboarding call for the YouTube course in like 10 minutes. Allison, how you feel?
I'm hungry.
Me too.
Why are we doing this at 5 p.m. on a Friday?
Yeah, I couldn't tell you. Other times for this was like 10 a.m., but your boy doesn't wake up at 10 a.m. to be able to make those, so...
How are you?
We're good. We both are in. Alright, so we just wrapped up the onboarding call. Allison, how would you say the call went?
It was okay.
Basically, the dilemma is we're both... I mean, I'm still kind of a beginner on YouTube, but I already have like 10K subs. Allison's almost at 30. 29K to be exact. So there's a lot more beginners in the program, which, I mean, is normal, but we were trying to look for more YouTube friends, like people that already have some traction. That being said, if you are a YouTuber that has, I don't know, some traction, like a couple thousand subs or more, reach out to me, let me know. I'd love to connect.
And any girls out there? I don't know if there's girls watching,
And
but...
if you have any girl YouTubers as well, definitely hit me
reach
up
out to me.
so I could hook up Allison. Anyways, off to all you can eat dinner. Let's go. Look at all those bikers.
Why are there so many?
I probably eat here like 4, maybe 3 times a week. Shit's lit. Restaurant, you can't see it, but it's Shabu Plus. But we'll be eating at the sister company or parent company, I don't know what it's called, Sushi Plus.
Oh my god.
It's actually busy as hell. Yeah, look at this. For 2, please. 30 minutes. Okay. Trying to distract ourselves by playing a couple games, as you see here. But this place does look pretty lit, so I think the wait will be worth.
That is so cute. That is adorable. Do you see what I have to put up with?
This is my favorite.
Oh my god, it's so long. No!
Alright, we just got our table, baby. Oh, really?
Oh, you like it too?
Yeah,
You guys
Shabu
like
Plus
sweet.
is like my favorite.
He loves it.
I eat at the other restaurant, Shabu Plus, so much that the waiter recognized me. So, kind of a big deal.
You just eat a lot. You're a big bag.
Okay. Yeah, let's get non-tuna.
Alright, I got you. Ocean 13 rolls.
Not a big tuna person, you know.
I know. Cheers.
We got a blob, but apparently it's coconut pudding.
How are you supposed to eat this with no spoon?
Chopsticks.
It's hard.
Try it.
Oh.
Rip the guy's head.
Wait, it's hard. I can't even like cut it. Oh
That
my.
looks interesting, man.
I don't understand why it's so hard.
Let's see. It's like straight soup.
It looks like mozzarella cheese.
I got like,
Oh.
it's so icky.
I thought it was gonna be softer.
Good? No?
Kind of weird. We got these strawberry crepe cakes. Hopefully this will be better. Holy.
Oh, okay.
Thank
There
you.
you go. You're struggling with that.
Oh, it's frozen. Oh, it's ice cream, that's why.
How is it? Good? Oh. So how would you rate the whole meal?
Like a 6.5 out of 10. I think it's low-key a little worse than sushi that
I give it a 6.
Hopping in motherfucking jet like jet.
Just got back to the crib. Allison, what are we gonna do?
We're gonna finish season 7 of Love is Blind. I'm so excited.
It just came out last Wednesday. I've seen hella spoilers on TikTok. Let's get it started, baby. Love is blind.
You can like fully be me.
If you fall in love, you'll get engaged.
Taking off the rose-colored glasses and just like seeing it for what it is.
We just wrapped up watching the season finale of Love is Blind season 7 and eating Wingstop. Well, she can't eat it because she's pescatarian, but she's eating the fries. Anyways, how was the finale, Allison?
Yeah, it was good.
It was okay. Predictable. Alright, about to head off to bed, but before I sleep, I always check my numbers just to see how I did for the day. And to my surprise, not even touching my business all afternoon. Check this out. I made $4,866 today, and I didn't even notice all afternoon. It just reminds me how blessed and how thankful I am to be in a position now where my business doesn't really rely on me anymore, right? I could take a whole afternoon off, a whole day off, and still be able to make thousands of dollars every single day, almost like money comes out of thin air. And no, this did not happen overnight. Like, it took a lot of grinding, a lot of blood, sweat, and tears to start off, but eventually it gets to the point when you can focus more on leverage, building the right team, the right systems, the right automations to do the work for you while you just chill and let the money print. So yeah, if you are interested in learning the exact business model I do and want to just copy and paste, I did make a free course breaking down exactly how I made $2 million profit. Just type messages on my phone. And you can do it too and make like 3 to 4K a month from home if you want. Just check out this video right here. It's all on YouTube. It's an entire playlist. Just watch this video and get a pen and paper out because it's gonna be saucy. But other than that, I'll see you tomorrow. Peace.